Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I have to see, because I got some new things, parts, different things. Autodoc, and I got this box from. What does it see? Brake shoes for 450 and the 400 Lexus hybrids. RX brake pads and the spring set and setup for this should be the 400 as I remember. And double checking, because this is what I would like come with this system. It's information about which car I ordered it for. If I ordered from Rock Auto in USA, and that's the problem. Then I'll start to be very expensive shipping from USA. But we get a paper with every part under which car you had looked for it. So that is perfect. Here I have to double check once more. But what I really would do today, and because I didn't think the other part was coming, was just making a video about the crazy guy who went crazy about getting more tools. Because when you have so many different projects than me, you have to think about all things. Yeah, got for the oil, bottom screw in the oil, sealant, washers for Toyota Lexus. The package will start to be empty from what I had from before. Let's see here. No more pliers. I'm going to go through those. Why is so much plastic? Because what I have started to understand finally is I'm not strong enough in my fingers to do all kinds of jobs all the time. I'm using a lot of time in things that should have been easier. So then I was going through looking for some other things. I found a lot on Aliexpress. Different. I think it's even one more here. from before. From before I have got done. This is for pushing in when you have rubber pipes for coolant and things. You have the locker system. This is for getting in and holding it and be able to move it. I found this one before. Then I found one who is a little angled, so get in other places, because I had a problem with when I was lifting up the engine on the 450 to get up some. I also got one type here that you can get in even further and lock. Then you have some things you need to get in and push out, rubber piping or from holders and other things to go in. One to get into the electronics connectors that need to be pushed in something to be able to move it. Another one for different rings to mount and push out again. More for trying to open electronic connectors, different types. Here is for pushing in, taking out some of that. Different angles to try to get in. As you see, it's going to make my life a little easier when I stand fighting in the car to try to loosen things. Now I just have to think about how to display it so I remember what I have. And then we have one more problem. I have a lot of different cups for opening oil filters. Well, when I was supposed to change the oil filter and the RX 450H, it's a completely different system again. I had many different cups like this, but to make this better for myself, I just bought cups that was made with a split here. This one has 3 here, so you can go for different things. And since I found them at Aliexpress, here is one who have 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So now I have, you see, they're not the same size. Since I couldn't be sure which one it was completely for where I was sitting ordering, the price was okay, I just ordered 2. So now I should be able to get out that problem. Yep. And with the parts coming in from Autodoc, more CV boot clamps lying here also, because I had to change one more time and I was getting some tools for that. But as you see, I'm so tired of fighting with those like some connector or something, so now I'm hoping that my old weak fingers will get a easier life from now. I'm just hoping that I have a set with other oil cup openers from before, but none of them had system like this. So I'm just hoping that this will make my life easier. Because I have started to understand that the tools are very, very, very important to make it easier. Now I'm hoping that I can just relax a little more when I go out there and don't have to, because my fingers are not strong enough for a lot of small connectors and for clamps on rubber pipes and things like that. Also bought some other tools earlier for helping me fixing the brake, and start to say that I seriously have enjoyed using them. Yeah, just a little update. I'm working on something, both the RX 400 that need to change wheel bearing in the back, and also have to check up more on the other, and hoping to be able to start with the Land Cruiser again. To clean up more and check more there, then I have to start dismantle more on the top of the engine, and I need to move away things. That's why a lot of these things would come good too. Yeah, so the tools is here to make my life easier. I hope you guys understand this is not a lot of money. Bought from China. I can guarantee him a lot of this is coming from China with other brand name and sold in different other countries for a lot higher price. And now with the import taxes and things, sorry to say, I'm sorry for you guys in USA. Think you have a little problem because of that so-called tariff that you haven't been used to pay. In Norway we are used to pay especially high tariff on cars. So our way of living have been shown with that in mind. For you guys who's not used to it, it's going to be a tough thing. Sorry, I hope it's work out for you. As seriously about. I think USA is a very, very nice place as I see it, with a lot of hope. So yeah, hope everything work out well. Yeah, hoping to come back with some more positive car videos now soon again. Have been a little while without doing anything again, but yeah, things are, I have done something, just I haven't been able to finish it to make okay videos. So I should also have been changing the xenon bulb on my RX 400 hybrid, because the light there is very bad. So I hope to be able to do that in the weekend. Put on a video on that too. Yeah, thank you for coming back. Please come back, and if you haven't followed the channel, please follow the channel. Write comments about the tools you would tell other people about, that is, and me about, that is not so expensive, that you can have in a tool chest that will make your life easier.